Papalamig po tayo.
Bongga sila, oh.
Sila
ulit
nagtatago. Ayan, naghahabol po kami ng maaraw. Ayan o, matintay yung araw. Kaya maganda
Oy, Laura! Nababaliw na siya, oh.
May tama na oh.
May tama si Madam. Tamang hinala. Baka po!
Ito, nagpapalamig-lamig dito. Nakikinig ng tugtog.
May DJs na yung DJ.
Kaya nga, sana di kami makapiright.
Oh, baby, can I come out?
Kasama raan ng ngayon. Kuan kita laruan. Oh. Si Laura. Okay, make the flower. Garland be. Make. Nakita mo na may magkalapati. Na araw siguro yun natin. Oo, mahal na araw nga yun. Parang ganda ng mga bulaklak. Oo.
Mama, I have idea. Turn down.
Ay, ibutang niya. Wow. Like ano si Laura? Pitana.
Is it on?
Bongga! Nakadress! Si Inday! Na sila sumikat na yung araw.
Ayan, nagsasamantala kami sa araw. Hapulin natin para maganda yung pakiramdam natin pag nainitan.
Ay, maganda yung mga ano. Ay, kasi yung apo mo, nag-ice cream na.
Gampina.
Ang ganda ng mga
Ice cream.
bulaklak nila.
Yan, oh.
Oh. Diba?
Puti, maliliit lang. Ayan, oh. Damo lang yan, oh.
Bongga! Ang ganda, no?
Oo, ang ganda.
Kalat-kalat lang si Madam nag-ice cream. Pa!
Laro tayo, Mao.
Father!
Ano itong bubukain eh?
Ganda yung picture mo. Ganda. Pabulaklak si Madam. Pagwadi, ingiterang siya. Pagwadi sa
Hirap mo
interest.
dito. Hirap?
Hindi. Kita niya mo siya. O, babakain.
Oh, mahaba tabi ah. Ay, parang rosary oh. Ganda.
Ganda yung ngayong bracelet. Pwede ko ito yung bracelet.
Ano ginamit mong sinulid?
Wala. Yung ano lang. Tingnan mo.
Aging dugtong-dugtong mo lang yan. Ano, gin-shoot mo?
Itasa mo lang siyang ganyan.
Tapos? Wala na yung tugtog.
Until I close. Until I say open.
Ready?
No, not ready.
Bakit close pa?
No.
Mandurugas to eh. Malakas mandurugas. Bata pa lang mandurugas sa laro.
Ay,
Ready? It takes so long!
ano ba yung ginagawa nila?
Nanduduga siya para kunyari nakatayo yung bata
Mama,
niya.
he did it!
Wow!
How did I do it? Shit, I saw what happened. Cheeky banana.
Kasi anim
Grabe, ito
kahit
ang
anim na
laki
tao,
yan.
hindi makakos, pero ang liit
Saan?
lang ng ibabaw niya.
Ay, ang laki nga. Ano ba yan? Ang laki.
Parang nagkaroon siya ng ano, yung nagkaroon
Ano ba
siya
yan?
ng...
Ang laki ng puno.
Oo. Yan.
Kahit 5 piraso kayo.
Anim na tao, di
Ay,
makakos
hindi.
niya.
Ang laki-laki. Ito, ang ganda, oh. Ganda ng puno, kabayan. Ayan, oh. Grabe, oh. Ano kaya yun? Namumulaklak din siguro yun. May ay, walang flowers.
Hold my hand! Now! I got you.
Okay, okay. Just gonna pretend it's not for now.
Find my mom.
No, I
She
cannot.
has a yellow hat and then she's wearing a black vest.
I know. Cannot see your mommy. Oh. Nagdrama mo ako. Ah.
She's wearing nail polish.
Ah, good ah.
So I can bring you back there, but do you know the number of your house? What number you see in your door? What's the color of your door? Well
Wow!
done! Now I can bring you back home. You're gonna be safe. Well done!
Nagchatro si Laura. Ayan. Dati dito rin kami. Di ba dito tayo sumakay nun to? Oo. Tapos may ga-explain ka doon. Oo, yan o. Wow.
Oh, and what happened? Let's go that way.
Diyan tayo na, no? Diyan pala yung paikot-ikot.
Hello, my friend! Stay.
Ay, parehas
Stay
yung ulo to, ah.
put lang.
Haba ng kwento.
Daming storyteller ni Laura.
Six pa, oh.
Ay, Ay, maliit pa. Pigs.
Oh.
Ayun, kinakain nila. Maliliit pa lang yung bunga. Yun o. Hindi pa hinog. Dito, no?
How long siya, no? Where do you know where he works? Where does he work? You work in a what?
I think he works at London.
Oh.
He works at London.
That's far away, isn't it? But good thing you know all these details, so I can bring you back home. Good job for remembering everything. Yeah? So do you live in Philippines?
I don't.
You don't live in
I
Philippines.
live in England.
Ayan na naman yung
May
ano
kabayo
niya.
naman siya. Let's go, kabayo!
Oh, this is my mom.
Tapos ang
Saan
haba
tayo?
naman ng storytelling niya. Balik ka tayo.
Oh, let's go. Saan na tayo babalik? Wala na siguro diyang daan.
Meron pa ganun kasi.
Oo.
I like it here, Lala. They like it here. It's fresh.
Ayun
I
o.
will remove my hat, so
Grabe yung inagusan nila malapad na pala to, no? Abo, nagato karong isda. Lawak. Nagpa-bratsya na yung among apo. Ayan, ang ganda nito. Ganda talaga ng plants na to. Oh. Flower.
we love smelling flowers in springtime.
Yeah.
Yuck. Okay, we're not gonna smell that again.
Alin? Ah. Oh, malamig to. Ano yan? Ah, yung piggy. Wow. What is that? What is that? Oh. Hindi na siya.
Can we taste it?
No, it's not yet ripe, Laura. It's a little bitter, I'm afraid.
Oh, move.
When it's a bit ripe,
Oh, it's wet. It's wet. It's wet.
Wet. You
Wow, it's so wet.
use your tissue.
Did I lick my hand?
tayo. Maybe it's bitter.
Matsa.
Iba po siyang pet.
Oh.
Bago niya kasing pet yan.
Ah, bagong pit niya
I
yung
found
drawing.
another flower. Your favorite color?
Oh, wow.
Orange.
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 Flower, though.
Inside. This is Flower Channel, and then I think this is season 11.
Mm.
No, this is season 8, I think.
Okay.
So then, you saw a lot of my channels, little channels, and then you want me to go to season 100, just like it, if you want to like and subscribe, But I'm gonna go to season 100 one day. Lola, could you touch it?
Okay, I touch.
Touch it with a phone.
Wow. Oh, it's nice.
Hey, Lola, give me.
Good kira. Aki mo kinakakaroon.
Hello.
Kamat ko nun kid.
Hi, kain po tayo. Ice cream.
Bakit daw? Cheers!
We're eating some ice cream, and it's different kinds of flavors, and I'm sharing it with Kat.
What is your favorite flavor?
Bubblegum and
Nag-yogurt
mint
po daw.
and chocolate.
Chocolate. Which one have you tried? Today, you tried what?
Bubblegum.
And vanilla and strawberry and
And cookie dough.
well done.
What happens when we make some